I have been actually looking at this box for a while, and I just saw in Green Hills earlier that there was only one left. And I want to take a shot at it because the usual ones that you see have Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, no, in the Select Mega Box, but this one has Luka. And they said this is a Mega Hobby, Select Hobby Mega Box. So, I mean, let's see. I mean, it costs a little more expensive than usual, but I mean, rip's a rip. I mean, came from Pampanga this morning, did some reports, long drive back, very tired, but let's see. I mean, hopefully this brings some heat. Yeah, and didn't do well in a break earlier, no? Pero sige, tingnan na lang natin, no? Ayan. Open it up. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Select Mega Box. We got 40 cards here in this Mega Box. So we're looking for green and blue stars prisms. Green and blue stars prisms, okay? Look for the ultra rare tiger elephant. I mean, I haven't really seen one yet. Green stars and all of those things, and all of those good stuffs. No? Right, so we're looking for 40 cards. Okay, these are the cards. Let's stack them up here. And let's go. Empty box. Empty box. Okay. Here we go. All right. Okay, here we go. So we got 40 cards. So this is pack number 1. Let's go. Let's do this. Bawiin natin yung pagod tsaka yung pagkakanal sa break with our own personal opening. And good start. Jared McCain. Sleeve that up. Another one. AJ Johnson. Sleeve that up. Zion Williamson. And the green, Paul George. Okay. Nice first pack there. Okay, so we got 2 rookies, and the green is Paul George. I think we put Paul George right here. Dito muna yan. Okay, Paul George, and then a couple of rookies. Okay, next pack. Nipis, no? 4 cards lang per pack. I hope we get some ultra rares here. I mean, I haven't seen one actually. Oh, yeah, we got Jalen Green. Okay, and then Jalen Tyson. That's rookie. No. Jamal Murray. Green RC. Sweet. Rob Dillingham. So far, ito ata yung chase dito, no? Right, so let's just sleeve this baby up. No, si Rob Dillingham. Paupuin muna natin si Matas. Ayan. Alis ka muna dyan. Ayan. Rob Dillingham. Alright. Third pack. We got some heat, no? Konti lang. I mean, let's get something nice. Something nice, please. Oh, Portland. DeAndre Ayton. Wala dito. Paul George. Shea. Nice. Nice looking Shea right there. Green. Lauri Markkanen. So. Ito sobrang nipis, no? Sobrang nipis itong pack ito. So let's go. Open it up. Open it up. Oh, Rob Dillingham again. So Rob Dillingham box. Rob Dillingham. Uy. Yun. Rob Dillingham. Tristan Da Silva. Ariel Hook 40, green. Ano to? Uy. Load stars o hot stars. Luka Doncic. Purple. Numbered. No, it's not. Pero ano na siya dyan? Lakers na siya dyan. Si Luka Doncic. So, I don't get that too often. So, lagay natin dyan. Alright. I think this is the 5th pack or the 4th pack. No? Wala pang masyado. Wala pang ganun ka okay. No? But let's see. Right. Uy, Lauri Markkanen na naman. Okay. Right. Lauri Markkanen. Si Hook 40 na naman sa likod. Uy, nice. Bob Carrington. Sige, sleeve natin yan. And ito. Ben Matt. Benedict Mathurin. Okay. Bob Carrington. Sleeve natin to, no? Si Bob. Pwede na. Okay, pero dyan ka lang muna. Okay. Right, we have, I think, 5 more packs. So this is pack number 5. Alright, baby. Come on, get us a big card naman. I mean, hobby to pare, sabi kasi hobby, diba? Oh. Miles Bridges. Sino to? Julius Randle. Green. Miles Bridges na naman. Tinapay naman, oh. Oh, RC. Uy, ano to? Holo? Uy. Bronny James. Oh, yes. Numbered. Uy. Not bad. Bronny James. Okay. Let's go. 42 out of 75. Right. Naku, baka yun na yung pinaka-hit natin. That's it. Still open. Jaren Jackson. Booker. Green. Jaren Jackson naman. Ito. Uy. Ryan Dunn. Uy, ganda. Ganda nito. Ryan Dunn. Not bad for the Ryan Dunn. Diyan yan. Okay, let's go. Last 3 packs. Okay yun, no? Bronny James. Ganda. I hope it was na mataas, but Bronny James is not so bad at all, no? Sana may auto. I haven't really seen good autos here in this type of product, no? Ayan. Bob Carrington. Sipatin natin. May silver. Sino to? Osar Thompson. Green. Devin Booker. And then, oh, this one is silver. RC. Blue. Anak tang tinapa. Nice one. Jared McCain. That's how to get it. Jared McCain. Yun eh. Ganda. Silver talaga panalo, no? Ganda. Last 2 packs. Maganda rin naman yung select. No? Okay. Sipatin natin. Silver. Okay. Let's go. Kelly Ware sa likod. Desmond Bane. Sa likod ni Desmond Bane. Sino to? Julius Randle. Oh no, that's Khalil Ware pala. Khalil Ware. And then, ano to? SGA. Uy, ganda. Select certified SGA. Not bad. Okay. Then may last pack pa tayo. But this is silver. Uy, pwede na. May isang tayong numbered card na maganda. And yun, meron tayong select silver, no? Last pack. Please, make it good. Sana may auto. And hobby select eh, diba? Select yan eh. And ito yung last box eh, si GH. No? Let's make it count. Okay. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Sa likod tayo muna. Parallel. CJ McCollum. And the last card. Select. Silver ba to? Hindi. Russell Westbrook. Alright. So we'll review the hits. Thank you.